Most people experience Florence from the street, but very few ever see it like this. I am Danilo Romolini, and today I'm about to take you through a beautiful palazzo with one of the most extraordinary private terraces of the city. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. Set in the heart of San Niccolò, one of Florence's most sought-after neighborhoods, which has long attracted an intellectual and international elite. Exceptional, well-restored properties here are increasingly hard to find. Via de Bardi has always been one of Florence's most prestigious addresses, historically home to the city's most influential families and still defined by grand palazzi owned by historic Florentine lineages. We are welcomed into the entrance hall of this outstanding 16th century palazzo, where the newly restored marble checkered floor immediately sets a tone of timeless elegance. Above, outstanding original painted frescoed ceilings add a remarkable layer of history and artistic value. This versatility makes the palazzo both a unique commercial investment and an appealing residential opportunity in one of the most prestigious locations of the city. The building is arranged into 9 large apartments of various sizes, offering exceptional flexibility in their division. A brand new elevator connects every floor with exclusive access to the top floor's owner's penthouse apartment. The entrance is finished with hand-laid mosaic tiles, and the 4 square meter private terrace offers an intimate outdoor welcome. The Palazzo is currently a prestigious family residence in the heart of the city, with the top 3 units used as a private home, while the rest of the apartments used as offices, guest rooms, staff residences, gym, and as well laundry areas. The large living and dining room is centered around the fireplace, and it is finished with newly restored herringbone wooden parquet floors. Elegant boiserie panels line all the walls, framing the open views over the very heart of Florence, overlooking Giardino Bardini. From here, there is direct access to the private terraces of the penthouse, seamlessly connecting interior and exterior living. The defining feature of the Palazzo is its private terrace, one of Florence's most remarkable outdoor spaces, designed both for everyday enjoyment and for elegant entertaining. It can host both intimate dinners as well as reception for up to 75 guests, with the penthouse fully equipped for seamlessly catered events. The breakfast room sits up to 6 people and opens onto a 7 square meter terrace, perfect for outdoor dining with a table for 2. To the left, a pantry room provides with additional storage, while to the right, we find the access to the kitchen. This is the intimate kitchen for the owners, with the professional kitchen in the floor below, available for larger gatherings. The kitchen features an oversized fridge, dishwasher, ice maker, and a hidden pantry storage. A spacious guest bathroom is finely crafted in travertine marble and serving the living spaces. The master suite features a king-size bedroom with a private sitting area, 2 mahogany walk-in dressing rooms, and a hallway lined with mirrored closets. The expansive bathroom includes a steam room, separate WC, and an oversized bathtub. Soft carpet underfoot, intimate garden views to the rear, and a private suite terrace completes this serene and luxurious retreat. Before we explore the suites, note that these are units from the second and third suites connected to the penthouse. They are currently used together as a two-floor penthouse, but could also function as two separate units. This suite has a king-size bedroom and a comfortable living area. With an ornate marble bathroom featuring separate shower and tub, as well as a closet. Under-stair storage is ideal for luggage or extras. Welcome to suite number 3. We have a spacious sitting area, as well as the king-size bedroom, leading onto the ensuite bathroom finished in travertine marble with a large shower taking up the whole width of the bathroom. By the entrance of the apartment, a walk-in laundry provides extensive storage and is already arranged with all the plugs and attachments if one likes to convert it into a beautiful kitchen. Welcome to the 3-double-bedroom apartment. Considering the current use of the Palazzo as a large private residence, this is the heart of the building. This is the unit where everyone gathers to hang out and everyone gathers in the morning to have a beautiful breakfast together. The living area features elegant herringbone floors, a working fireplace, and windows overlooking the garden create a warm and inviting space. A built-in library adds charm and functionality. The guest bathroom features whimsical decorative paintings, and the storage on my right is ideal for linens. The main dining room features 20 to 24 seats, while on this side we access a storage room with washer and dryer. The kitchen blends professional and residential functionality with stainless steel tops, wooden details, Wolf appliances, and an oversized Sub-Zero fridge and freezer. Off the main entrance, the first suite has a queen-size bed, ensuite bathroom with shower and bathtub, and an ample walk-in closet for lots of storage. Up a short flight of carpeted stairs, this twin bedroom is quiet and tastefully decorated. It features a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom with bathtub and shower. Down a short flight of carpeted stairs, this king bed is convertible to 2 single beds, and it has the ensuite walk-in closet as well as the ensuite bathroom. The charming 2-bedroom apartment opens to a warm entryway with honey-toned parquet floors. The living area offers garden views and a cozy fireplace. While transitioning into the dining space, we find space for 8 to 10 guests. This room is then connected into the kitchen. The fully equipped kitchen blends style and functionality. From this room, we then enter to the 2 bedrooms of the apartment. The primary bedroom features a queen-size bed, lots of natural light, and an ensuite with shower and bathtub. Above the bathroom, we find a spacious loft for additional storage space. The twin bedroom has a walk-in closet at the entrance, also an ensuite bathroom with shower, with a handy utility closet inside the bathroom. Welcome to the next apartment. It is currently used as offices for the building. This unit was originally designed as a luxury private residence, and it can be easily restored. There are 2 entrances offering great flexibility and privacy. The living room is large and full of natural light. There are floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the garden and a central working fireplace. From this room, we have access onto a bathroom finished in beautiful Roman travertine marble that serves as a common area bathroom. On my left, there is access to what is currently an office space with bathroom, which could also be converted into the third bedroom of the apartment. The conference room is adjacent to the living area and works perfectly as a primary bedroom. It has natural light on this side, beautifully decorated ceilings, and a recently renovated Levanto marble bathroom that has a large shower in the end. Adjacent is currently an office, but was the formal dining room. It is ideal for a table from 10 to 12 guests. We have beautifully tall ceilings that are also originally decorated. The renovated eat-in kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including a sub-zero refrigerator and an induction cooktop. The ceilings are tall and they are as well in this room beautifully decorated. Welcome to another office, which would be the third bedroom of the apartment. It is full of natural light thanks to this large window overlooking the city center, frescoed ceilings, we have a walk-in closet and a newly renovated ensuite bathroom finished with Roman travertine. Next we have apartment number 3, which would be suite number 12. It is a studio that feels more like a large suite, thanks to its generous size and flexible layout. The bedroom is nice and large, allowing for the space for the bed as well as an office corner. We have these charming vaulted ceilings with terracotta on the floors. Welcome to the next unit. Also here we have a nice studio apartment. As you enter to the left, you will find a large room laid on 2 levels that is currently used as the wine cellar of the Palazzo. As well, it can be converted easily into a nice bedroom, making this a 2 bedrooms unit. This is the living area of the apartment with terracotta on the floor, access to the kitchen and bathroom with shower. This is one of the units on the lower floors that can be used for staff, for guests, or as well for rentals. The double bedroom suite is spacious and refined, with tall ceilings that are arched and beautifully decorated, and on the floors we find typical Tuscan terracotta. Welcome to the next unit. This is currently the gym or Pilates studio of the Palazzo. It is an incredibly elegant space, and whether you use it as a Pilates studio or as well as a luxurious suite with a king-size bed, it offers incredible versatility. The ceiling is beautifully decorated, adding character and charm. On my back we find the entrance to the walk-in bathroom and the kitchenette that is fully equipped, combining style and comfort. Parking in Florence's historic center is notoriously difficult. The Palazzo offers a rare and highly valuable solution, a private 2-car garage. It comfortably fits 1 large SUV and a second vehicle, with additional space for mopeds, bicycles and storage. Direct internal access to the laundry room and main residence allows entry without stepping outside, ensuring maximum privacy, comfort and security. From the entrance of the Palazzo, but as well with its own independent access, we have the spacious laundry room of the building. This is excellent for staff. It also has a bathroom on my left and on my right an additional large storage. Connected to the laundry room, we have the staff apartment. As you can see, it has a beautifully large living area, arched ceilings, the kitchen on my left, and terracotta on the floor. Then it connects to the double bedroom, which is very nicely furnished and restored, as well as its own ensuite bathroom with shower. This palazzo is a rare opportunity, an exceptional private residence and, at the same time, a compelling investment in one of the most extraordinary cities of the world. Please get in touch with us if you would like to learn more and subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!